Hello and welcome to Louis Times. I am Kangana Sharma, and now let's have a look at today's top 10 news that created headlines.
IIT Guwahati has been recognized as one of the world's top universities for the study of data science and petroleum engineering subject, as per the latest edition of the QS World University Rankings by subject. In a first, India will post defense attaches in several countries, with a focus on Africa, aimed at strengthening strategic ties and military diplomacy amid China's increasing efforts to expand its influence in the African nations. New Delhi will appoint new defense attaches in the African countries of Ethiopia, Ivory Coast, Mozambique, and Djibouti. This decision is in line with India's priority to expand its strategic engagement with the continent. Premier Engineering and Technology Foundation IIT Guwahati has been mired with controversies of late. On Wednesday, reports emerged of a student dying by suicide in this hostel room at IIT Guwahati campus. According to initial inputs, the deceased student was identified as a resident of Bihar's Samastipur city. Year 2024 is crucial not just for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government as it eyes a third consecutive term in power, but also India's defense sector, which is slated to get new heads for military services and establishments. India in the days to come will get new chiefs for the Army, Air Force and Navy, along with a new chairperson for the country's premier defense agency DRDO. The Indian Meteorological Department is poised to unveil its much-anticipated long-range forecast for the monsoon season. Experts predict that this year's monsoon could potentially arrive earlier than usual, driven by the simultaneous activation of the Indian Ocean dipole and La Nina conditions. These concurrent events are laying the groundwork for a robust monsoon with potentially high volumes of rainfall across several parts of the country. The Election Commission has suspended 106 government employees in Siddipet district for allegedly violating the Model Code of Conduct by attending a BRS meeting. The complaint against them was filed by the BJP. Many workers fled the location upon arrival of the flying squad. All the suspended officials were from the District Rural Development Agency of Siddipet. 3 sons of Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh were killed in an Israeli airstrike in Gaza, along with 2 Haniyeh's grandchildren. The airstrike targeted their car in Gaza's Al-Shati camp. Despite the loss, Haniyeh reaffirmed Hamas's unwavering stance in ongoing negotiations, emphasizing that his son's blood was not more valuable than that of the Palestinian people. Kim Jong-un emphasized their war preparedness amidst unstable geopolitics during a visit to Kim Jong-2 Military University. He stressed military education's significance, stating North Korea would respond decisively to any conflict, citing complex global situation. After overseeing hypersonic missile tests, he urged readiness, aiming to boost missiles amid tensions with US and South Korea over drills. Indigo, the largest airline in India, exceeded Southwest Airlines based in the US in terms of market capitalization on Wednesday, becoming the world's third most valuable airline according to the Bloomberg data. Indigo's stock prices surged by 4.73% to reach Rs 3,806 on Wednesday, raising its market capitalization to $17.605 billion. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei vowed retaliation against Israel for the deadly airstrike on Iran's consulate in Syria. The attack, which killed 12 people, including Iranian Revolutionary Guard members, was condemned as an assault on the Iranian territory. Khamenei criticized the West, particularly the US and Britain, for supporting Israel in its conflict with Hamas.